Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about visual hallucinations are seen in. Visual hallucinations are actually most common type of hallucinations in delirium are visual hallucinations. So, in delirium, you definitely see visual hallucinations. Temporal lobe epilepsy shows all types of hallucinations. It shows visual hallucinations, auditory hallucinations, olfactory hallucinations. All types of hallucinations are seen in temporal lobe epilepsy. In hebephrenic schizophrenia, the primary disorder is mainly a disorganized behavior, but visual hallucinations are also seen. In hebephrenic schizophrenia, disorganized behavior, there will be formal thought disorders also, and along with that, you will also see visual hallucinations may also be seen in these patients. Thank you and thank you for watching.